21.1 Organization of the Human Body. Lesson Objectives: Outline the levels of organization of the human body. Explain how organ systems maintain homeostasis of the body. Vocabulary: connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, nervous tissue. Introduction. Many people have compared the human body to a machine. Think about some common machines, such as drills and washing machines. Each machine consists of many parts, and each part does a specific job, yet all the parts work together to perform an overall function. The human body is like a machine in all these ways. In fact, it may be the most fantastic machine on earth, as you will discover when you learn more about it in this and the remaining chapters of this resource. Levels of organization. The human machine is organized at different levels, starting with the cell and ending with the entire organism. At each higher level of organization, there is a greater degree of complexity. Cells. The most basic parts of the human machine are cells, an amazing 100 trillion of them by the time the average person reaches adulthood. Cells are the basic units of structure and function in the human body, as they are in all living things. Each cell carries out basic life processes that allow the body to survive. Many human cells are specialized in form and function. Each type of cell plays a specific role. For example, nerve cells have long projections that help them carry electrical messages to other cells. Muscle cells have many mitochondria that provide the energy they need to move the body. Tissues. After the cell, the tissue is the next level of organization in the human body. A tissue is a group of connected cells that have a similar function. There are 4 basic types of human tissues: epithelial, muscle, nervous, and connective tissues. These 4 tissue types make up all the organs in the human body. Connective tissue is made up of cells that form the body's structure. Examples include bone and cartilage. Epithelial tissue is made up of cells that line inner and outer body surfaces, such as the skin and the lining of the digestive tract. Epithelial tissue protects the body and its internal organs, secretes substances such as hormones, and absorbs substances such as nutrients. Muscle tissue is made up of cells that have the unique ability to contract or become shorter. Muscles attached to bones enable the body to move. Nervous tissue is made up of neurons or nerve cells that carry electrical messages. Nervous tissue makes up the brain and the nerves that connect the brain to all parts of the body. Organs and organ systems. After tissues, organs are the next level of organization of the human body. An organ is a structure that consists of 2 or more types of tissues that work together to do the same job. Examples of human organs include the brain, heart, lungs, skin, and kidneys. Human organs are organized into organ systems. An organ system is a group of organs that work together to carry out a complex overall function. Each organ of the system does part of the larger job. A well-oiled machine. All of the organs and organ systems of the human body work together like a well-oiled machine. This is because they are closely regulated by the nervous and endocrine systems. The nervous system controls virtually all body activities, and the endocrine system secretes hormones that regulate these activities. Functioning together, the organ systems supply body cells with all the substances they need and eliminate their wastes. They also keep temperature, pH, and other conditions at just the right levels to support life processes. Maintaining homeostasis. The process in which organ systems work to maintain a stable internal environment is called homeostasis. Keeping a stable internal environment requires constant adjustments. Here are just 3 of the many ways that human organ systems help the body maintain homeostasis. Respiratory system. A high concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood triggers faster breathing. The lungs exhale more frequently, which removes carbon dioxide from the body more quickly. Excretory system. A low level of water in the blood triggers retention of water by the kidneys. The kidneys produce more concentrated urine, so less water is lost from the body. Endocrine system. A high concentration of sugar in the blood triggers secretion of insulin by an endocrine gland called the pancreas. Insulin is a hormone that helps cells absorb sugar from the blood. Failure of homeostasis. Many homeostatic mechanisms such as these work continuously to maintain stable conditions in the human body. Sometimes, however, the mechanisms fail. When they do, cells may not get everything they need, or toxic wastes may accumulate in the body. If homeostasis is not restored, the imbalance may lead to disease or even death. Lesson summary. The human body is organized at different levels, starting with the cell. Cells are organized into tissues, and tissues form organs. Organs are organized into organ systems, such as the skeletal and muscular systems. All of the organ systems of the body work together to maintain homeostasis of the organism. If homeostasis fails, death or disease may result.